everyone. I'm Jen Webb from Upper Iowa University. This year we are celebrating something really special, the 10th Annual Giving Days, taking place March 25th and 26th. Giving Days is a time when the entire UIU community comes together to support students and the programs that make an Upper Iowa education possible, no matter where you live. One of the exciting new opportunities this year is the Moines Center Scholarship Fund. This fund helps students living in the Des Moines area gain access to a quality Upper Iowa education and the ability to continue building their futures right here in our community. Scholarships like this can make a meaningful difference for our students by helping remove financial barriers and allowing them to focus on achieving their goals. We hope you will consider joining us during Giving Days and supporting the Des Moines Center Scholarship Fund. Thank you for supporting Upper Iowa University and our Des Moines area students.
We give